Many may walk by the construction zone along Bigler Road on East Campus today, wondering what will soon be replacing the large bulldozers, cranes, and piles of metal and dirt. That area is the foundation for the Millennium Science Complex, one of Penn State's newest additions to the University Park campus. It will provide a venue for cutting-edge research done by the Huck Institute of Life Sciences and the Materials Research Institute. Project manager of the Millennium Science Complex, Dick Tennant, says that the price to go green is well worth the reward because the payback is usually only a couple of years before the university will start saving money.
I mean, it's the right thing to do individually, collectively, and there's a tremendous savings for the university in energy costs.
Despite the building's size and overwhelming design, there is more to it than meets the eye. The building has energy-efficient or green roofs that reduce the stormwater runoff, as well as a window and air circulation system that saves energy, resources, and money for the university. All construction of buildings at Penn State is now being held to a much higher standard. Since the building of the Stuckman Family Center in 2005, all new buildings are required to adhere to the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design standards, also known as being LEED certified. University architect David Zengut says that this is one way to be responsible and do their part to deal with environmental challenges.
The LEED is a system of rating a building as to how, quote-unquote, green it is. And our mandate at Penn State is to certify all of our major projects.
The LEED Green Building Rating System is a point system that evaluates the buildings based on standards of water and energy efficiency, materials and resources, and the design process itself. There are a total of 69 points possible, and the building needs to receive 26 in order to become certified. Certain buildings have been honored with a silver or gold rating, like the Forest Resources and Stuckman buildings. Penn State even created the first LEED-certified stadium when Medler Field at Lubrano Park was completed. So what does this mean to students? Some may be unaware of the measures their school is taking to protect our planet, while others are realizing the efforts. Colleen Krim, a junior majoring in supply chain management, took notice of Penn State's encouragement of recycling.
In the Rediford Dining Commons where I eat most of the time, there are all different kind of trash receptacles for plastics, for glass bottles, for newspapers, for mixed office papers, anything you could think of. And I think it's a great effort, and I'm proud of Penn State for stepping it up.
The Center for Sustainability at Penn State is a group aimed at harnessing student support for environmental efforts through research projects, courses, and outreach programs. The Associate Director for the Center for Sustainability, Lisa Brown, says that students need to be prepared to handle the environmental challenges that our world is facing.
People all over the world are waking up to this reality and becoming more and more creative and innovative about how to address the challenges, and students are aware of this as well, and they're demanding more information, better education that's oriented in this direction.
Facilities like the Millennium Science Complex aim to further the education of Penn State students, and it doesn't hurt that these buildings are helping to better the environment as well. For Com Radio, I'm Allie Hedges.